Okay, on number 5 and 6, well, particularly 5, this one we're looking at right now, we're going to take an original function and perform two transformations. In other words, two movements on this function. So we're actually going to go from f of x to a function we're going to call g of x, and then we're going to take and do one more thing to that, and we'll call the finished function h of x. Okay? So let's start. Our beginning function, they have real simple. It is simply x, which is the same as 1 times x plus 0. So if you had to graph that, basically it would be have a y-intercept of 0 and has a slope of 1, which makes that line look like it's cut diagonally through quadrants 1 and 3. Okay? Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is they want us to do a vertical compression by a factor of 2/3. Alright, so our new function, g of x, is simply taking the old function, f of x, and we've got a compression by a factor of 2/3, so we multiply the whole function by 2/3. Alright? Now, what is our function? Well, our function is just x. Right? So think of this, we're going to simply do a substitution right here. We're going to go 2/3, and then we're going to stick in, what is f of x? It's 1x plus 0. 1x plus 0. So our g of x function then, 2/3 times 1 is just 2/3. So this new thing is just 2/3 x. 2/3 times 0 is 0. So this is our g of x function. But now what we want to do is we want to take and shift this 6 units down. So we're going to take this function now and perform something else. So we are going to call this end function, the last movement, h of x. And h of x is just the previous function, and shifting down, we're going to subtract from the function, from that previous function. So we're shifting down 6 units. So, but what is g of x? Well, it's 2/3 x. So we do a substitution. So we go h of x is equal to 2/3 x minus 6. Alright, so that is the rule. That is the rule for the finished product. So our finished product would be h of x is equal to 2/3 x minus 6. This is a vertical compression by a factor of 2/3. This is a shift down 6 units.